Adding a video to your listing is one of the easiest ways to increase buyer engagement. Therefore, sellers on eBay are trying to add videos to their listings. But there are many who are facing issues uploading video on eBay. If you are one of them struggling to upload your video on eBay, then don't worry because you are in the right place. Hello everyone, this is Zahid from Ecomclips. Today I am going to show how you can upload a video on eBay without any errors. So keep watching. Basically, you can upload videos for both your product page and store on eBay. If you don't know how to upload videos on both the product page and store on eBay, click on the I button or check the description for the link. Normally, there are 5 points you need to keep in mind to successfully upload the video on eBay. For example, if you use a video of more than 150 MB, it will not be supported. Here you can see that there is no video for this product. Now I am going to add a video larger than 150 MB. First, click on Revise Your Item. Click on Add Video. It is showing that the size is more than 150 MB. So we need a video shorter than 150 MB. Same way, if you shoot your video in 4K, then you cannot upload it on eBay. Because eBay's maximum upload resolution is 1080 pixel. There are some sellers who want to link the YouTube videos on the eBay listing. But eBay will not allow videos from any external links. There are two more important points. eBay's supported output resolutions are from 240 to 720 pixel. And lastly, the supported file type is the MP4 file type that starts from MPEG-4/10 or advanced video coding. Therefore, if you add other file type, then it will show an error. If you carefully follow these instructions, there should not be an issue. Still, there are chances that the video can get rejected. This may happen if the video quality is blurry and poor, if the video includes nudity and sexual contents, if the video or any content in the video is used without permission from the owner, then it is not allowed. If there are any web links, URLs or calls to action that ask viewers to take action on other sites are not also allowed. Now you know which are the important facts to focus on while uploading a video on eBay. If you can able to follow the eBay suggested rules, then we believe you will not face any errors during uploading the video. But if you still face any issues with uploading the video on eBay, please feel free to contact us. Also, you can visit our website www.ecomclips.com for more information. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment and share this video. That's all for today. See you in the next video. Till then, stay safe.